Hi friends, hope all of you like me love nature and the most valuable gift of nature, the flower, the plantation. This small garden where I am standing now, this I have made it into a flower bed. This was earlier a barren one, and now I have made it a beautiful flower garden with this soil, and a hard toil of mine is very much associated with this. So this beautiful garden adorned with different flowers. One can see here the dahlia at the top, the three tiers garden, then the Inca, various variety, jasmine yet to flower, this petunia, beautiful reddish color petunia, then this dahlia, another yellow color, another red color petunia in hanging tub, this white color chrysanthemum, various bonsais, these Incas are there. At the top of the top tier, the dahlias, and here another petunia, this Inca of different colors, Pangy and dianthus. This is dianthus yet to flower. This petunia, beautiful purple color, red rose. This red rose of my garden, it is mixed with my love, affection, nurture and care. This dianthus of beautiful variation of colors, yellow, pink, then very marvelous pink rose, then various dianthus will come up. This dianthus already bloomed, and I am expecting some more dianthus within a few days it will come. Another pangy of very beautiful color, and another dianthus, the rose here, a big size. These are all due to my hard effort, which I have converted this barren soil into a fertile land, a fertile piece of garden. Another beautiful color of rose, almost cherry, dark cherry color, and so many other dahlias at the top tier of my garden. This chrysanthemum, another almost light red color chrysanthemum, this another flower, just you see this Inca, another variety of chrysanthemum, and I will show you at the end. This is a very, very rare species of chrysanthemum, light yellow green color mixed with it, and another variety of chrysanthemum here. So these all are I am trying to grow in my garden, and I suppose all of you will enjoy this video, and all of you will be certainly inspired. This another very beautiful chrysanthemum, just a ball in shape. So I hope all of you will get inspiration out of that, and all of you will make your nearby area, the barren area, into a beautiful haughty garden. See how the beauty of these flowers. See this hanging pot, the beautiful petunia. Really, it's very attractive and give me immense of energy and pleasure when I come to this garden and nurture, rear and care this flower. So this is a stimulus for many of us who love nature and can take rear and care the nature and nurture the plants and flowers and allow them to bloom, to grow. At the top you can see the very beautiful colors of dahlias on the bamboo made jacket tire where they are blooming in potted earthen pots. So I'm sure all of you will enjoy.